Reselling is, simply put, a way for you to make money by selling the resources people need that have their own websites. Free reselling is what you get from ResellersPanel.com. With us, free means you never pay in advance for any products or services that you sell. So here's how it works. We give you an online store that is connected to our system, in the same way a regular store has suppliers for their stock. You then set the price for everything that you want to sell. When a customer visits your online store and buys a hosting plan, a TLD, or anything else that you offer, our automated system checks the payment and sets up whatever they've ordered, and then pays you your commission. How much you get is the difference between our wholesale price and the price that you set yourself. It's totally free. You never pay first for anything that you sell. There is no financial risk. And if you want to create your own website for your sports team, for example, you can get everything that you need from us at wholesale prices because you're a member of our free resale program. So with us, you make money and save money too. At Resellers Panel, we have worked really hard to make our free program easy to use. So even if you're not an expert or a computer whiz kid, you can still sign up because we have created a point-and-click control panel that makes setting up everything easy. And from there, the rest is fully automated. Just like your email is working around the clock collecting your messages, your reseller store is working hard as well, selling plans and sorting out that all-important commission for you. So sign up now and take that first step to being your own boss and making some money with ResellersPanel.com.